Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have gadget for any car owner, the 5000A car battery jump starter. Whether you're facing a dead battery in the middle of nowhere or just want some peace of mind, this little device packs a punch. Let's check it out. A 5000A car battery jump starter is a powerful portable device designed to start vehicles with dead batteries. Here are some key features and benefits of a jump starter of this capacity. Features: high cranking amps. With 5,000 amps, it can jumpstart larger engines, including trucks and SUVs. Compact design. Most models are designed to be portable, allowing for easy storage in your vehicle. Multiple ports, often equipped with USB ports for charging devices, and sometimes with a 12V outlet for accessories. Safety features includes protections against short circuits, overcharging, and reverse polarity to ensure safe operation. Built-in flashlight. Many jump starters come with a flashlight, which can be handy during nighttime emergencies. Benefits: convenience. No need to rely on another vehicle or roadside assistance. Versatility. Can be used for various vehicles and even for charging electronics. Peace of mind. Having a powerful jump starter on hand can prevent being stranded due to a dead battery. Usage tips: fully charge. Always keep the jump starter fully charged to ensure it works when you need it. Read instructions. Familiarize yourself with the user manual for proper connection and safety tips. Regular testing. Periodically test the device to ensure it remains functional. Here's a more detailed overview of a 5000A car battery jump starter, including its features, benefits, and tips for optimal use. In-depth features. High cranking amps. With a peak current of 5000A, this jump starter can start even the most demanding engines, such as those in larger trucks and diesel vehicles, which typically require more power. Battery capacity. Many models come with a lithium-ion or lithium polymer battery, providing lightweight yet powerful performance. Battery capacity is often rated in milliamp hours, mAh, indicating how much energy it can store. Smart technology. Some advanced models feature smart technology that automatically detects the voltage and polarity of the battery, ensuring safe and effective jumps. LED indicators. Clear. LED indicators can show the status of the battery, charging level, and readiness for use, helping users gauge when it's time to recharge. Multiple functions. Beyond jump starting, many units include built-in air compressors, flashlights with different brightness settings, including SOS modes, and even Bluetooth connectivity for tracking and alerts. Extended benefits. Multi-use capabilities. Besides jump-starting cars, these devices can charge smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices, making them versatile for camping, road trips, and emergencies. Durability. Often designed to be rugged, many jump starters are built to withstand harsh conditions, including water and dust resistance, making them reliable in various environments. Storage and portability. Most jump starters come with a carrying case or pouch, making it easy to store in your car without taking up too much space. Environmentally friendly. Lithium-ion batteries are generally more environmentally friendly compared to traditional lead-acid batteries, as they are rechargeable and have a longer lifespan.
Thanks for watching.